I can hardly contain my excitement for what we're about to uncover together. It's a narrative that has the potential to reshape the world as we know it, a saga of artificial intelligence that's about to eclipse what we thought was the peak. Yes, it's even more monumental than the already impressive ChatGPT. Today, we're not just scratching the surface but diving deep into the incredible universe of AutoGPT. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the very end, because each revelation is more astounding than the last. So buckle up and prepare to have your mind expanded as we journey through the extraordinary landscape of AutoGPT. A key player in the AI revolution is OpenAI. They developed ChatGPT, an AI language model that can generate human-like text. It's impressive, but what we're discussing today is even more extraordinary. Meet AutoGPT. This advanced AI model not only understands and generates language, but also extends its capabilities beyond that. But how does it work? And why is it such a game changer? We'll explore its capabilities, discuss its potential applications, and consider the ethical implications of such powerful technology. AutoGPT, like its predecessor, is trained on an enormous amount of data. But it goes a step further. It learns to perform tasks it wasn't explicitly trained on, a concept known as zero-shot learning. This ability to generalize makes AutoGPT incredibly versatile. It could be your personal assistant, your tutor, your business analyst, or even your creative partner. Imagine needing to write a report, but you're not sure how to start. AutoGPT could generate a draft for you. Or perhaps you're a student struggling with a complex math problem. AutoGPT could guide you through it step by step. Maybe you're a business owner trying to understand your sales data. AutoGPT could analyze it and provide insights. The possibilities seem endless, but so are the questions. What does it mean to have such powerful technology at our fingertips? How do we ensure it's used responsibly? These are important considerations, and they're part of the conversation around AI. OpenAI is committed to ensuring that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. They've pledged to use any influence they have over AutoGPT's deployment to avoid enabling harmful applications or undue concentration of power. As we continue to explore the world of AutoGPT, I invite you to ponder these questions. How should we, as a society, navigate the era of increasingly powerful AI? Let's dive into the deep end of AutoGPT's capabilities. This isn't just an AI that understands and generates text. It uses that knowledge to do things that were only imaginable before. If you're a programmer, AutoGPT might just become your new best friend. Have you ever found yourself stumped by a problem, fingers hovering over your keyboard as you try to figure out the code? AutoGPT could step in and generate a Python script that tackles the issue head-on. Staring at a piece of code that's riddled with bugs? AutoGPT could debug it for you, optimizing the code to run smoothly and efficiently. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. For those of you in the education sector, whether you're a student or an educator, the potential of AutoGPT is equally promising. Imagine a personal AI tutor that is always ready to answer your questions, explain complex concepts in understandable terms, and even provide constructive feedback on your assignments. Think of how it could democratize learning, making high-quality education accessible to everyone everywhere. Can you envision a future where every student has access to personalized learning? Let us know in the comments below. In the fast-paced, dynamic world of business, AutoGPT could be the game-changer we've all been waiting for. It could sift through mountains of data, pinpointing trends and making accurate predictions. It could suggest strategic actions, helping businesses stay one step ahead of the competition. Need to draft an important email or a presentation? AutoGPT could lend a hand, so you have time for other things. Struggling to organize your hectic schedule? Let AutoGPT handle it. And let's not forget about creativity, an area often thought to be uniquely human. AutoGPT is poised to challenge that notion. It could generate complex stories or narratives, a task useful in many fields such as creative writing, journalism, content creation, and it could brainstorming ideas for groundbreaking products. AutoGPT could aid in the ideation process for new products, providing innovative ideas that could transform industries, or even brainstorm ideas for groundbreaking products. Are there any creative professionals among our viewers? How would you feel about collaborating with an AI? Share your thoughts below. These are just a handful of examples of what AutoGPT can do. Its potential applications span across industries and disciplines, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. But as we bask in the glow of AutoGPT's immense potential, we must also confront the challenges that come with it. How do we ensure this powerful technology is used responsibly and ethically? How do we prevent it from falling into the wrong hands and being misused? These are difficult questions with no straightforward answers. But they are questions we must grapple with. They are an integral part of the AutoGPT story, a story that's still being written, a story that you and I are a part of. As we continue to explore this fascinating world, I want you to be an active participant in this journey. I invite you to join the conversation, to ask questions, share your thoughts, and envision how AI could reshape our future. Think about it. How would you use AutoGPT in your life? What possibilities excite you the most? And what concerns do you have? Your insights and perspectives are invaluable in this ongoing dialogue about AI and its role in our world. Whether we're discussing the potential of AutoGPT to revolutionize programming, to democratize education, to streamline business operations, or to spark creativity in new and exciting ways, we're ultimately talking about a future shaped as much by us as by artificial intelligence. So let's continue this conversation, and let's do it together. After all, this is our story, a story of innovation, discovery, and transformation. It's a story that's bigger than any single technology, even one as powerful as AutoGPT. It's a story about us, about our future, and about the world we want to create. Remember, the future is a story yet to be written, and we're the authors. Let's make it a good one. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep imagining the possibilities. As we wrap up our deep dive into AutoGPT, I hope you've gained a deeper understanding of this extraordinary AI. But remember, this is just the beginning. The future of AI is brimming with potential that we're only just starting to tap into. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more explorations into the transformative power of technology.